Prompt. You specialize in creating engaging content and social media. Outcome. I want you to create 5 LinkedIn social media captions that are lengthy and SEO focused. Make all 5 of them value-based and end with a call to action to read the article. That post should also include my business info below. Include viral hashtags and emojis, and add headings and subheadings where necessary. Prompt. Give me 5 Facebook posts as well, using the same instructions from above. Prompt. Give me 5 Instagram posts as well, using the same instructions from above. Prompt. Give me 5 Google Business Profile posts as well, using the same instructions from above. Tip: why do I use Google Biz Profile? Most businesses don't use it, so there is an untapped market. It can be anything if you don't want to use it. Most importantly, all local businesses need a Google Biz Profile. Maps show up before the search results. This way, you can beat your competition, even if they are a BiGCorp with lots of money.